In this video, we'll look into alter command. So let us create a table. Create table. SQL Basics is the database. We have SQL Basics database. SQL Basics dot dbo. I'll name it. The table name is alter test, and we'll have the columns ID, int, null, temp name, take care of null, and phone, take care of 50, null. So let us create this table. Execute, right click tables, refresh. Alter test table has been created and it has got the columns empid int, temp name, take care of 50 and phone, take care of 50. Now let us add a column to this address. So alter table SQL Basics dot dbo dot alter test, add address, take care of 50, null. So if I execute this now, select the whole thing, execute, right click columns, refresh. The address column has been added. So we are altering the table and adding address column varchar of 50 null. Now we want to change this data type from varchar of 50 to nvarchar of 50. Alter table is SQL basics.dbo.alter test and alter column address nvarchar of 100 null. So address we have varchar of 50 here. Now we are changing it to nvarchar. Let us execute this. Execute. Now right click columns, refresh. Now it has changed to nvarchar of 100. Now I want to drop this column address. Alter table drop column address. Now execute this. Right click columns, refresh. So that column has been dropped. Now let us add the primary key and unique key to this. So if I try to add the primary key to empid, it is a null column. So we can't add the primary key to null column. It should be non-null. Let me add it as it is and show the error, and then I'll change it to not null. So now alter table SQL Basics dot dbo dot alter test add constraint. I can give the pk or any name I want. Okay, primary key on emp id. So if I add it now, execute, you cannot define primary key constraint on nullable column in table alter test. So before that, I'll change this. So is alter table basics.dvo.alter test. I'll alter the column emp id and I'll make it in not null. So if I execute this now, so and right click columns, refresh, this is not null now. So now I can add the primary key constraint. So now if I say alter table SQL basics.db.alter test add constraint pk primary key of emp id, execute and right click, I'll refresh the whole table and then here the columns we got this primary key pk and in the keys you can see pk is the primary key. So we have created the primary key. Let us create the unique key. Alter table SQL basics dot dbo dot alter test add constraint uc. I'm just giving it a name of uc for unique key, unique, and on phone number. So the phone should be unique. Oh, so if I execute this, execute and refresh the table columns keys, we got the unique key here and we got the primary key. So this is the primary key which this key symbol is showing on the this one on the phone. If you go down you get all these details. So and if I right click script constraint as create to new constraint window, the alter table alter test add constraint uc unique non-clustered on phone. Now we want to drop these constraints. So alter table, let me copy this, Control C and Control V, drop constraint pk. So now if I execute this and right click, refresh the table, the primary key is gone here now and here also the primary key is gone. Now I'll alter table and drop constraint uc. hold on. Okay, constraint. If I execute this, right click table, refresh, keys, the unique constraint is gone now. So we have created the keys, primary key and unique key, and then we dropped both of them from the table. To recap, we have altered the table, we have added the address column, and we have altered the address column. The data type we have changed it to nvarchar of 100 from varchar of 50, and we have dropped the column address, and then we have altered the column empid to not null, and we have added the constraint primary key, we have added the constraint unique key, and we have dropped the constraint primary key, and we have dropped the constraint unique key. So that's how we can use the alter command to change the objects we create, but we can as well change it from the GUI. From here itself we can just right click, rename or delete. So from the GUI itself we can do it, but if you want to add it into a query, then we'll use these commands. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.